Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's John R. De La Cruz. Jon R. De La Cruz. Alright guys, March 21, 2025. PBA Game Day. Look where we're at. Antipolo City, Province of Rizal. Dumayo ulit tayo dito. Alright guys, so late tayo nag-brunch sa McDo, sa Dasma pa. Then eto, nadaanan natin si ate. Magmamadali lang tayo, 6:30 na eh. Game time is 7:30. Wala ulit tayong ticket. Bahala na si Batman. Alright guys, so eto, nadaanan natin ang humble na burger naman ni Ate Maya. There you go. So, burger and cheese. Ay, burger with egg. Yan. Try natin ha. Sarap. Wala pang ketchup yan guys ha. 35 pesos lang. Burger with egg ni ate. Tapos, cheesy fries. 25. Tapos Royal, 15. So total of 75 pesos. That's less than $2 guys. Malapit na rin tayo sa Inari Center eh. Lakarin na lang natin, mga 5 minutes na lang yan. Right here, Game 4, Barangay Ginebra is down 1-2 in the series finals. And then sabi, Justin Brownlee is injured. It says on the last 18 minutes pala, last game 3, hindi na siya nakapasok. So injured siya sa fingers daw while he was grabbing a rebound or defending, I think. So alright, quick vlog lang guys. Ang sarap. Ayan o. Affordable pa. Of course, classic Royal. Ayan, quick vlog lang. Along the way lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano na to, street na to, basta malapit na sa Inaris to eh, pupunta ron. So, nandito lang si ate, mga 5 minutes away. Sa kanan, pagpa-away kayo pag ganun. Ate Mayan, there you go. I'm rating this 10 out of 10. Sarap. Burger with egg, and then fries, and then Royal. Affordable pa guys. 75 pesos. Less than $2. Love you guys. Peace. John R. De La Cruz. Bye for now.